What is up, guys? Welcome back to another day here at Whitley Auto Works. Today I've got an awesome new video, a really cool spray out using another RUST-OLEUM product that everybody's been wanting to see. I've had tons of questions about this particular product and a lot of people want to see different color combinations with it. So without further ado, let's jump into what today's video is all about. RUST-OLEUM Color Shift in a Can Pink Champagne. So as I did before Mermaid, this is RUST-OLEUM Color Shift in a Can Pink Champagne, guys. A really cool gold to purple to pinks. And I've got a variety of different speed shapes again. Just like last time, we're going to be shooting that pink champagne over. And then we'll shoot it full scale in black on a test fender. That way you can really see what this does. I've got Hunter Green. I've got Gloss Grape. I've got a really cool RUST-OLEUM Blue. I've got Orange, Sun Yellow, Apple Red, Coral, Phantom Gray, and of course white. So a variety of different colors to choose from so you guys can really see what this Color Shift Pink Champagne will do. And then of course we'll shoot the fender last with black. So I'm going to take these all outside. Let's get them all set up and let's spray some Color Shift RUST-OLEUM Pink Champagne. Alright guys, so now I got my speed shapes out here and they're just itching for some of this RUST-OLEUM Color Shift Pink Champagne. Now it says this works best over black, but as we've seen with some of the other ones, they should do fine over top of the lighter colors. I'm not too worried, so we'll see what it does, but I'm going to shake this up really good and let's get to spraying these speed shapes. Man, this looks very cool over all these colors. Over that green, you get a nice almost red. Over that purple, red, blue, red. I mean, just look at the sparkle that it gives. I hope you guys are seeing this good. Very cool. I think that purple to pink to gold is really dominating. You can even see it at certain angles, even over the white and over the gray. And that little pink coral, man, really cool. So definitely a really cool effect over different colors. And I'm excited to take it inside and see how it looks outside of the sun, especially compared to some of the other ones. But I mean, you look at that shift right there. That is absolutely insane. Some really cool effects over all these colors. But which one is your guys' favorite? Alright guys, now I got them inside out of the sun. That's over Hunter Green. That's over the Gloss Grape, over the blue, over the orange, over the yellow, over the red, over the coral, over the Phantom Gray, and over the Gloss White. Now, out of the sun, they are white particle, it seems, so they do kind of disappear a little bit, especially over the lighter colors. But over the darker colors, man, you get some really trippy looking effects. And I'll kind of pan it around a little bit so you can kind of see. It definitely gives off like a red sheen and then gold at certain angles depending on which color it is. And you really see the dominance over top of the darker colors. Look at the red that it kind of throws at the green right there. And then very cool. I like every single one of them, but you know what? It ain't up to me. Which one do you think's the best? Alright guys, now that we've shot this Rust-OLEUM pink champagne over a bunch of different colors, I'm curious to see what it's going to do over black. So I've shot this fender right here, ultra matte black from Rust-OLEUM, and now we're going to hit it with a couple of coats of pink champagne and see if we really can't make this color shift pop. And then, of course, I'll seal it with a little bit of 2K clear so it's nice and glossy. We'll take it out in the sun and we'll see what we got. So I'm going to put my mask on, I'm going to get ready, and let's get to spraying. Alright guys, so Rust-OLEUM pink champagne color shift. Now you can see black at certain angles because this is a white particle based pearl. Apparently these spray color shifts in a can are white particle, which is really cool because they kind of disappear when the light ain't on them, and then when you actually see them out in the sun, man, they pop. And this has got a wild gold to pink to purplish color shift. Very cool. What do you guys think? Alright guys, so today we tried Rust-OLEUM pink champagne color shift spray paint in a can, and man, it did not disappoint. It does some crazy effects. It says on the can it goes from pink to gold, but I saw greens, bronzes, certain angles. Since it was white particle, the black showed through at certain angles, and the same with the other colors. Over the green, it looked like it went almost red at one angle, and just crazy effects with pink champagne over all these colors. I can't even pick a favorite, but here's the fun part. You guys get to rate all these spray outs, 1 through 5, 1 through 10. Let me know in the comments which one was your favorite. And if you made it this far in the video today and you like these crazy spray outs, you like product tutorials, paint jobs, just learning different color combinations, what works and what don't, and saving money, having fun doing custom painting, then definitely, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, ring that bell beside it. You'll get notified every time a new episode drops. And if you want to pick up the paint gun I used today, the mask, the Rust-OLEUM pink champagne, all the stuff will be in my Amazon store, guys. Just click the link that says As Seen on YouTube. That'll take you to my store. You can pick up everything there for the same price I get it. We will get a small kickback, but it won't cost you anything extra. Also, the pink champagne is readily available at Walmart, Target, Lowe's, some of those type places. Really anywhere that sells Rust-OLEUM spray cans will probably have this. Hobby Lobby. So you can pick that up, or you can get it from my store. Any way you want to slice it, you can go ahead and do it. But very cool effects. I really like the pink champagne. Can't wait to see what the other color shifts have to offer, because we're kind of going down the rabbit hole a little bit. We've done mermaid, this is pink champagne, and who knows which one is next. You'll just have to make sure you're subscribed and you got the bell on, and you'll find out shortly. But I appreciate you all for watching today. I hope you found this video informative. I hope it got your wheels turning for a future project and something you can do really cool. So alright guys, well, that's it for me today. As always, I'm John from Whitley Artworks. I hope you guys have a great day. God bless, and I'll see you guys on the next episode.